while I'm here. Looking good, I'll tell you. Ain't looking good. That's all I could say. Chance of it working. This part works. Need a new drain. No good. Drain's off. This is a done deal. This is a done deal. Not good. He's a crusty sucker. Crusty as hell, yeah. Crusty sucker. Not good. He's crusty, man. He ain't coming out. Nope. Jeez. Wow. This fucker. I want to put a whole new drain in there. It's not good. If I get this thing out of here, maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully I can get it out. Wow. This thing don't work or not. There's another one here, which is probably better than the new one. old one here. Sometimes the old shit's better. I gotta get some cardboard under there or something so I don't ruin it. Ain't no going back now. Ain't no going back now. It needed to be changed anyway. Yeah. I mean, that thing was just old. Yeah. It needed to be done, unfortunately. I let the baby out with the bathwater. Come on around. What's that part? What's the part that's stuck? He's frozen in there. I'll have to cut it. That's all. I'm gonna cut it. Go to grubber. That's what we're gonna put in there. Something like that, more or less. It should be adjustable on the top. This goes on the bottom here. Like that. People say use silicone, that's bullshit. Use putty. Alright, so I'm gonna have to try to do this with one hand here and really get the gasket down in there and like that. It's going. That's going to work like that or not. It should. Yeah. Once I get it all together, I'll be able to tighten it really good. I get it all together. And it'll be good like that. And once it's sealed, it'll be good. Tighten it up first and then worry about the linkage later. I wasn't expecting to get into this fucking mess today, but what are you gonna do? As you touch it, open up a can of flipping worms. That was a flipping can of worms. Can of flipping worms. Get the thing all set and all in there, and then I can adjust this. I can get the rest of it from the bottom. Not easy. We'll get the rest from the bottom, I guess. I had to put a jig clamp it down the bottom down there. This is one of them composite tubs with the porcelain over it. Gerber. Should have finished the other thing before I played with this, but it is what it is. Let's see what happens now. We'll see what we're getting for a shower flow. It ain't bad. I mean, it ain't bad. It could take a shower.
Well, what, it's not, it runs cold in the kitchen okay, it runs there okay, it runs everything.
Well, I get it as good as I can get it with the boiler we got here, I mean.
But this is too hot all the time.
Huh? The drain's not leaking, the valve's not leaking. New shower head, and look at the tankless heater here that's in tough shape. I gotta get rid of the rest of the shit.